Alright, so it's another one, and it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're here on the Rush Raymore Reviews. So we're taking a look at the Southern Coastal Highway right here in St. Thomas. We're in the Grand Spend community. On the right, you're seeing some of the work being done on the St. Thomas leg of the Southern Coastal Highway project. We know there's another leg that's in Clarendon running from Glenmuir to Williamsfield in Manchester. This St. Thomas leg is being developed at a cost at 17.4 billion Jamaican dollars. So this is a driving video. I think before this video goes up or after it, you guys will see a updated drone video of the highway project here in St. Thomas. So you guys can look out for that, and if it's already uploaded, you guys can go check that out. If it's not yet uploaded, you guys know it's coming soon. So this is where most of the work is happening right now. You know, they're excavating the hillside, realigning the current road. So lots of work happening in this side. They're making space for drainage, you know, that sort of stuff. So this was something that St. Thomas was in need of, just to be able to have a very good road in and out of Kingston, which will now increase commerce, will increase investment, and even real estate prices as well, because, you know, prices for real estate is already skyrocketing, you know, because of this highway that's coming down this side. So in a few years, you know, if you buy a land now, you'll be seeing so much profit down this side. So again, guys, as usual, if you're new to the channel, if this is the first video you're watching, remember to subscribe. You know, turn that red subscribe button gray, join the family. We do all sorts of updates. Road work is one of the updates we do. You know, improvement projects like this is one of the videos that we capture. So join the family so you can always, you know, be abreast of what's happening in Jamaica in terms of economic growth and development. You know, one of the main aim of this channel is really, you know, to showcase the beauty and growth of Jamaica. Remember to like the video as well, and comment on the video. Let me know what you think about the project so far, and remember to share. So I know a lot of persons are abroad and they may not, you know what's happening on a day-to-day basis, but this channel will keep you and them updated. So share the video, guys. So this is another section. They're drilling down the hillside, and you guys will see where this section drop out. It's on the other side of the hill, or the, yeah, I don't think this is a mountain. So we know the road, the current road is not the best right now, so it's just some teething pains that, you know, persons have to bear just to get the improvement needed. They have relocated the utility light electrical poles already so that they can realign the roadway. And again, guys, check out the drone video that give you a better view of the area, a better view of the current construction. Alright, guys, so stay tuned, continue enjoying the drive. I know we do a lot of videos in Kingston, but when we're able to come out this side, we really love to come out here and show you guys what's happening. And again, guys, anything you do will support the channel, whether it's liking the video, subscribing, we're trying to get to 10,000 before the end of June, or sharing the video. Everything will help the channel. And if you want to donate financially, we have PayPal in the description as well. So we're going to pass to the Grand Spend community and go around the other side. this is the Grand Spend community. The ocean is behind them, and soon you'll be seeing the next section of the highway, which runs through the hill that I highlighted. So it's right up here. There's also a massive water tunnel that they built as well. I'll highlight that for you guys. The highway runs through the hill and then it will cross this current roadway. Not sure if they'll be building a bridge, but I think that's what they may just do. Alright, so it will run here, and this is the massive tunnel. Just wanted to highlight it for you guys. So this is an active work site. Alright guys, so just showing you what's happening from a driver's view, from a driving angle, so you guys can see. And what I'm gonna do is just stop over this section a little bit, so I can show you guys this area as well. Alright, so let me show you around this area. And again, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for thanks so much for liking the video, and leave your comments, guys. So I think turning around will give you guys a better shot, so you guys can see the extent of the work. Yeah, so that's where we at. And then, so this will be the highway going through the hill, and then we have the current road right here. Alright guys, and again, check out the drone video for this project that I covered. It may be before or after this video, one of them, so just look out for it. And I'll definitely see you guys on another driving video slash development update. So thanks for watching guys, and thanks for the support. Really appreciate it.